designing of the application project depending upon these definition what we discussed in the previous class. So anybody can tell me that difference between the processor, controller, embedded system and general purpose system. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone what is the difference
Yes,
between
ma'am.
processor and controller and embedded system and
Um,
general purpose system? Yes?
yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Embedded
Okay, fine.
system is okay.
No, actually, I just wanted to design a one application project. The project application is totally depend upon these particular definition understanding. So that's why I'm asking. So assume it I'm giving one condition to you. You have to design a COVID-19 density device. Design a COVID density device. That is your aim of the project. This is your application project, and your customer demand is price of this product, price approx 2000, assume it, and your product should be wearable, and product is a wearable, and the price is approximately 2000. Okay, and it should be portable also. Of course, variable is that, then portable is also the condition. So to design this particular product, can you tell me the first question? This is your customer demand, and you are the engineer who is going to design it. You are the engineer who is going to design it. So we are starting one by one. The first point comes in picture. To design a COVID-19 density device, these are the customer demand when you are designing this particular device. So as an engineer, to design a COVID-19 density device, what thing you required? So first I will elaborate this particular project. COVID-19 density device is nothing but you have a such kind of device which can tell you कि in this particular location is a highly COVID-19 person will be there. It's a more infected person, more infected zone will be there. So you have to design such kind of device. If I can wear this device, I can able to get the idea कि I should not move there because that area should be the more dense for the COVID person. So I should not go there. So that is my condition. So either it can be a one wearable belt, one watch, any kind of thing which can give the signal to me कि I should not go there. So this is your customer demand कि you have to design such kind of device. So as an engineer, what is your first step to design this particular device? One by one, can you please start it? As an engineer, what is your first step? Yeah, anybody can please respond it. This is only as per your
I'm having
understanding.
Arogya Setu app in my smartwatch.
Sorry, Azaz, can you please repeat it?
I'm having Arogya Setu application in my smartwatch. It will be easy.
Definitely, Arogya Setu app will tell you, but I'm saying I want a device which directly indicate me कि things will be there, alert things will be there, rather than getting a message. I want the person get the things about it. Like I can get the shock, vibration, some audible sound. In that particular app, you have to go and watch the data. But my condition is not like that. I said
Ma'am.
design a device. This is a mobile app which you are saying. I didn't say design a mobile app. I said it design a device. So what is your first step?
Ma'am, sensor that can,
Yes.
ma'am, sensor that detect the thermal effects and virus.
Yeah, I will correct to Farhan. First, we will think the building block of this basic building block of your device. Basic building block of your device. This is our first step. Basic building block. Our first step must be the customer demand first thing. So we already know the customer demand. So whenever we are selecting anything, this particular thing we should keep in our mind, because that is a basic demand of the customer. So while designing the things, we have to take care of this parameter. But after that, your first thing is the basic building blocks of your device. Rather than writing a first thing, I will write this one. This is your second thing, B, because you cannot miss the customer demand. So customer demand or customer criteria is very important. First part, as an engineer, this thing you always has to keep in mind. Second part is a basic building block of your device. Okay, so anybody can tell me what are the basic building block of any device, like your computer, your mobile, your tablet, your machine, washing machine, anything. What are the basic building block? Basic means which included in every designing. Like if I'm designing laptop, mobile,
The
anything.
components which we will be using.
Components is the part of blocks. I'm asking basic building blocks. Component is the part of block. I'm not asking on the
Brain,
component level.
body, like peripherals.
Yeah, can you tell me what are the basic building block of any device? First part is what?
Ma'am, brain, body.
Brain, body, basic building block of if we are coming to the electronic part, we are not going on the, like if you are saying brain and not for your project, how you are going to use this
Then
thing, human body.
physical world, communication world, and virtual world.
Sorry.
Physical world to virtual world.
Physical world to virtual world. Who is that? Farhan.
Farhan ma'am.
Okay, so only Farhan and who's that one? Azaz is decided to speak and rest of the student will sleep. Yes.
No, ma'am, no.
So why rest of the student not responding? Should I need to say the name and we have to interact it? Yes, Akash, Amulya, Harsha, Shravan.
Ma'am.
Yes. Why you're waiting for to announce the name? You, this is the part of your understanding, and only Farhan and Azaz is responding. So I should give the internal marks to Farhan and Azaz. है ना? And rest of the students are sleeping, or they are not able to understand
No,
what I'm
ma'am.
teaching. So why only Farhan and Azaz performing? Rest of the students are only sleeping. Or we can say they are the robot. As per the Anandam course, what I taught you earlier, they are the robot. So I'm creating example to create a 10 robots out of 12. These 10 robots, can you please respond it? What are the basic building block of your device which you required?
IO ports, memory.
Who is that? It's Shravan. Okay, IO ports and memory. Okay,
Ma'am,
and somehow
first
it's
thing that the
correct.
components will be available or not.
Who
Is
is
it?
that?
Oh,
Mohammed
Ajaz.
Azaz. Azaz, please now wait for a 5 to 10 minutes, and after that you can speak. I just wanted to interact with these 10 students.
Okay, ma'am.
So don't
Okay, ma'am.
don't feel bad. I will continue because I wanted to listen from them also. Yeah, IO port Shravan is correct. I will correct it properly. Yes, IO port can be the part. I will tell you what is IO exactly here. Yes, rest of the student, can you please respond it? Yes. Did I need to say your name or you will speak by your own?
Memory?
Who is that? Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohit. Mohit saying the memory. Okay. Okay. What about
Program.
others? Akash, yes?
Ma'am, the program.
Program. Okay. Program. Okay. Program was saying by who is that?
Akash.
Akash. Okay. And what about others? Akash was saying program.
Controller.
Ma'am,
Yeah, very good. Who is that? Who is
And
that?
Pawan.
Pawan. Yeah, very nice. This is the exact building part of this, whatever the block, that is a controller. I will tell you what is the exactly name of this. This is the correct building block. Pawan given a very nice, this is a correct building block of this. Okay. What about the rest of the students?
Input output pins.
Yeah,
Displays
correct. Who is
and
that?
processor.
Wait a minute. Who is that? IO pins? Who said this thing?
Ma'am,
Who said?
Dinesh.
Yeah. I cannot see that person name. Who is that? Who said IO pins?
Dinesh, ma'am.
Dinesh. Why I cannot see on my screen? Dinesh. You're not visible on my screen. That's why I couldn't see. Okay. Dinesh, you're saying this thing. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible?
Ma'am, battery.
Yeah, but Dinesh, your mic is muted. How you're saying?
Ma'am, I'm speaking, ma'am.
Acha, okay, Dinesh. So Dinesh said the IO ports at somehow. Yes, Amulya, you're audible, you know,
Ma'am.
but your voice is very low. That's why others are speaking loudly and your voice is down. Dinesh said the IO pin, I will correct. So we got the two basic components indirectly. Pawan
Ma'am,
and
sensor.
Dinesh put a correct component
And
name.
display output. And display.
Display, yes, Amulya, that's correct. Display, yeah, Amulya
Ma'am,
saying.
sensor.
Battery. Power.
Ek minute, wait a minute. Who is saying power?
Sumant.
Who is saying power?
Sumant, ma'am.
Sumant. Where is Sumant? Why I
Battery.
cannot see Sumant? Acha, Keti Sumant. Okay.
Ma'am, sensors.
Very good. Who said sensor?
Ma'am, Pawan.
Pawan. Okay. So, okay, I'm drawing the basic building block of that. So, if you will see carefully your devices, every device consists of this building block right now. Input, core block, yeah, core unit, and output. Okay. If I will compare this basic building block with your laptop. So in your laptop, your input will be what? What is your input in your laptop? If I'm talking about your laptop, what is the input for your laptop? Can you tell me input for your laptop?
USB port.
Charging
Your
point.
keyboard,
And
your keyboard, है ना? Your keyboard, keypad you can say, your keypad, and what is the input? What are the inputs for your laptop?
Mousepad.
Mousepad.
Mousepad, yeah, I can say touchpad. Your mouse also be there via USB. Your mouse is also there. And what other inputs will be there?
USB ports. Pen drive.
Your USB port,
Other
definitely.
kind of.
Yeah, very nice. Your that jack pin, audio input pins. Your audio input pins, because I'm speaking, you are listening. So your audio jack is also the input. Many places your camera is also input, because you can see my face and you can reply it also. So many input is available. So here for a laptop case, you having this much input interface. Now can you tell me what will be the core unit in laptop? What is a core unit?
Ma'am,
Core unit matlab, yes.
ma'am, I just want to ask one thing. Ma'am, we are having an audio jack. It can work as input and output both now, because I am saying you are listening and
Yeah,
what you
yeah,
are
it
saying I
can
am.
be input and output both. Yeah, you are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
You are correct.
Okay.
I'm coming to that point now. I'm coming to the output part also. So I will clear this thing. Okay. Can you tell me what are the core units?
CPU.
Anybody? Yes? In your
CPU.
laptop,
Processor.
RAM, ROM.
Processor.
Motherboard.
processor. Basically, everything is processed by the processor. It's a core unit, because without processor, nothing can perform, because processor is manipulating the bits as per the inputs and giving the output. So here your core unit is processor for the laptop. Now anybody can tell me what is the output in your laptop? Amulya said
Display.
something.
Display.
Yeah, display. Yeah, your graphical
Monitor.
display. your graphical display is the input, sorry, output. Then agar if you are talking about the output, again your output can be also the camera also, your audio also, because audio jack is giving input and output both for you. Okay, so these are the output parts. So when we are connecting this all things together, here along with the core unit we have a lots of thing, like we have a memory, we have a hard disk, we have a lots of thing along with this, we have a timer counter, everything will be there along with this. But as a core unit we are talking, that is only the processor is the important part. So here in a laptop you can see you have an input, you have an output, you have a core unit. If I'm going with your mobile phone, in your mobile phone, can you tell me what are the input here in mobile phone? What is the input in your mobile phone?
Touch screen.
Touchpad.
Your graphical touchpad, your touchpad is behaving like an input and output, है ना? Your graphical touchpad behaving like an input and output both. Graphical touchpad. Okay, so I can say in your mobile your input and output are your screen, because in your screen you are creating a virtual keypad, and by that you are providing the input to mobile and you are again getting the same output on the same screen. Then what is a core unit in the mobile? Core unit in the mobile?
Processor.
Of course, processor. So here you can understand basic building block of the laptop and basic building of the mobile are the same. Only the difference is the portability. To make portable your mobile, your display become input and output both. That's why it's very handy as compared to a laptop. Okay, so the thing is that if you consider this particular block, what I told you, input, core unit and output. So here its core unit is changing. It can be processor, it can be controller, anything. Now I'm taking a second example, like your blood pressure machine. Your blood pressure machine. Anybody can tell me, in a blood pressure machine at your home some blood pressure machine will be there. Anybody can tell me what is the input in a blood pressure machine? You have a one cuff which you are putting on your arm, left arm. You are wrapping that cuff on your arm, then you just switch on your machine, then it will automatically raising the pressure in your cuff. Once it will raises, automatically it will be down. Then you are getting some value after some time. This is your SP, this is your uh, diastolic pressure, this is your heart rate. You are getting such kind of thing now. So can you tell me what are the inputs here and what are the output in blood pressure machine? Anybody can tell me? As per my description, in a blood pressure machine, what is the input over here? Yes?
And pressure.
Yeah, pressure basically we can say we have a sensor. है ना? First, when we are wrapping the cuff, we have to sense कि this is our body. Then what we are doing, we are giving a pressure. You are giving us pressure. We are giving the pressure to our cuff. Okay, and if you are talking about the core unit, what is the core unit in blood pressure machine?
Controller.
Yeah, very nice, the controller, because it's performing only the blood pressure measurement. So you can use any controller. Then what is the output over here? Where you are seeing your
Digital
systolic
display.
pressure, diastolic and all.
Screen.
Yes?
The screen.
Your
Display.
screen, your display part, your display screen, your
Digital
LCD, anything.
display.
Okay, so you can understand your controller based product or your processor based product. The basic building blocks are same. Can you see that thing? That's why I taught you this basic building block of any product. So when you are designing any electronic product, not electronic, any kind of product, first you need to understand a basic building block. Okay, so first part you have to understand, in laptop, in mobile, in blood pressure machine, your basic building block, input, core unit and output. Now after knowing the basic building block, the first question comes in your mind, for your application, whatever project I told you for a COVID-19 density prediction, what is your core unit? Because input and output you can decide later on, but your central part of your project is the core unit. Either you have to go with the processor for your application, or either you have to go with the controller. And next thing will be that if you are going with the processor, which processor? Because you have a lakhs and crores of processor available in the market. Like if you are moving with the 8051, after 8051 you have a 52, 53, these are the families. Then you have a PIC family, programmable interface controller. PIC mein you have a 12 family, 16 family, 18 family, you have a 33 family, and every family contains a lakhs of ICs. Then you can go with the AVR controller. AVR having a lots of family, ARM family also there, Arduino is also the AVR controller. So you have a lots of controller ICs are available. If you are going with the controller, sorry, I write the processor. If you are going with the controller, you have to choose which controller you have to prefer. Okay, so I can write this thing is the C1 part. If you are going with the processor, I'm writing C2 part. If you are going with the processor, lots of processor is available. We are starting from the 4004 processor. This is the first processor. Then you are studying 8085, 86, 87. Then you study 186, 286, 386, Pentium 1, Pentium 2, Pentium 4, i3, i7, i10. You are getting lots of processor till now, till i7. So if you are going with the processor, which processor you have to prefer? So first, as an engineer, for your application COVID-19 density meter, first you have to choose your core unit. Either you will go with the controller or processor. So anybody can give insight about it. Ki for COVID-19 density meter, either you have to go with the processor or controller. I hope the question is clear. Yeah, is it clear?
And processor.
You have to go with the processor. Why you have to go with the processor? Who is that? Who is saying the
And
processor?
Pawan.
Yes, Pawan. Okay, so we will continue with the Pawan. Pawan said we have to go with the processor. So C part mein Pawan decided the processor. So Pawan, can you tell me why we have to go with the processor? Now the next question is
Ma'am,
why.
I thought there will be data to process to give us alert, so I thought it would be processor.
Acha, okay. So in controller we don't have a processor.
No, ma'am, not like that.
Acha, not like that. Acha, controller contain the processor or processor contain the controller?
Ma'am, controller contains the processor.
Okay, so you said it we have to go with the processor, and you are saying ki yes, processor is good, but no technical answer is there. Anybody wanted to justify the Pawan answer? Why he wanted to go with the processor for a COVID-19 density measurement?
Ma'am, size does matter.
Due to size?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are saying the processor having a less size. You are saying this thing?
Yes, ma'am, because we have to make a voice, ma'am. So,
Okay, fine. So just give me answer. Farhan support the Pawan answer. Rest of the students can pose this question also. I'm just raising the question over here. So Farhan says processor having a size compactness, no?
yes, ma'am.
So the thing is that if you wanted to control anything via processor, what particular component you have to interface? Can you tell me? COVID-19 density meter, how you are going to check it how to check it that COVID-19 having a high density area right now, and we are getting an alert message over here. How? We are going with the processor, so processor having a compact size, of course. But here, if you remember that thing, your customer demand price is approximately 2000. So are you thinking ki your processor in 2000 rupees, your whole product price will be 2000? So according to customer demand, are you able to design a microprocessor based product for COVID-19 density 2000 price if you are going with the processor? Yes.
According to me, we should use controller because our objective is defined.
Hmm.
We are having a budget limit and we need a wearable device. So compactness and everything
Yes,
will come
ma'am.
under
Okay,
microcontroller.
okay. So according to Azaz, we should go with the controller, and he given the
Yes,
justification.
ma'am.
Price is the justification for him. So anybody can tell me who is going with Pawan and who is going with the Azaz?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I'm
we
I'm
have.
going
going
with
with
Azaz.
that.
Yes.
I'm going with Azaz.
Azaz. Okay.
Me too.
Amulya is also with Azaz. Or rest of the students?
As price matter,
Ma'am, Akash.
we have to
Yes,
look out.
Akash.
Ma'am, I'm with Ajaz.
Okay. Yes, Akash is also with Azaz. And what about rest of the students? In between both of them.
I'm also with that.
Yes. Tell me your name.
Saravana, ma'am.
Shravana, you are with Farhan?
Azaz, ma'am.
Acha. Okay. Shravan is also going with.
Comparing to processor, my controller is like, I think size compatibility size is small, ma'am, of course.
Okay. So this is Shravan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And what about rest of the students? Right now, 7 students put their point. And what about the rest of the students? 5 students?
I go with
Trinath.
Pawan, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Processor.
Pawan.
Trinath. Is it Trinath?
Sumant.
Acha, Sumant. Sumant wanted to go with Pawan. Okay, no issue. Fine. And
Ma'am,
what about others?
Pawan.
Yes?
Ma'am, I'll go with Pawan, ma'am.
Tell me your name.
Harsha.
Acha, Harsha. Okay. You are here. Okay, you are going with the Pawan. Okay. Then what is the next? I think 3 plus 4. No, 3 plus 5. 9 students. What about 2 students? 2 or 3 more students there. Totally
Ma'am, I
9
will go
students.
with Pawan.
Acha, Mohit also raised okay, he will go. Okay. Mohit.
Oh, ma'am, Dinesh.
Acha, Dinesh. Dinesh wanted to go with Pawan. Okay. And what about others? Yes. What about others? I think I'm a 5 names and 4. 5, 4, 9. Still 3 students.
Ma'am, I'm go with Pawan, ma'am.
Who is that?
Mohit, ma'am.
Acha, Mohit will go with the Pawan. Okay. Mohit. Yeah. And what about rest of the 3 students?
Trinad is saying his mic is not working.
Yeah, I'm asking the answer. So if you are giving a proxy for them, so you can give the answer for him also, no?
He's saying like Azaz in chat.
Acha. In short, he's saying Azaz. Okay, this is the Trinath opinion. Okay. And what about others? This is right now 5 and this is 6. 5 and 6, 11. And in my screen, I'm getting a 12 students here. So who is the one? That student don't have any opinion?
No, ma'am, we
Krishna
got all the
Sidhvi.
names, ma'am.
Krishna Sidhvi. I cannot see Krishna Sidhvi. Krishna name is not
He's
available.
also in
Huh.
chat he named Pawan.
Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, he wanted to go with Pawan. Okay. Krishna. Okay. Did you think that is the question of like, I think you all are the South people. So you just belong as per the community and you are giving the answer as per the technical perspectives. Yes, I just wanted to know your answer because these all students except Trinath using his brain and he's giving the answer. Trinath and Shravan and Amelia also. And rest of the students wanted to go with the processor. So they having some kind of technical aspects and they are looking as a community. I just wanted to know why you wanted to give with the go with the processor. Just give answer one by one. Pawan and Farhan already given their explanation. Rest of the students just give your explanation. Why you wanted to go with Pawan? What is your justification? Yes,
Ma'am, if
Suman.
processor cost
Ma'am,
more, we can.
Wait a minute. Just respect everyone. Yes, Suman. Tell me.
ma'am, as compared to size, I go with Pawan, ma'am. As processor is short in size and and the output we need to get is a variable, no, ma'am. That's why I go with Pawan.
Okay, fine. Okay, Sumant, ठीक है, not too much justified, but it's okay. Yes, Harsha, why you wanted to go with the Pawan?
Ma'am, if we processor cost high, we can reduce the price in other aspects, but we can get
Acha, in case of the processor, you can reduce the price. Have you ever used any processor hardware device to interface the things?
No, ma'am. I'm saying not about processor. We can reduce the cost at other things. What we use. That's what I'm saying.
You are saying I'm going with the processor. So in the processor, you are able to maintain that price of the customer 2000 rupees. Because
That's
right
what.
now you decided only one component or one block of your device, and rest of
Yes,
the block is still not decided your input and output.
yes, ma'am.
So, so why you wanted to go with the processor only?
Only with size.
Acha, only the size is the matter. So as per the customer, price is not matter for you.
It matters, ma'am, but we can change the other components price. We can reduce the other component.
Okay, fine, fine. So these students who said it, this we have to design a COVID-19 density meter via processor, and these students who said it, we have to go with the controller. So only one task I'm giving to design this COVID-19. Just design your processor. Just look at the processor or Google it, which processor you have to use. Google it, which input you have to use, like a sensor. Google it, which output device you have to use to make a variable form, what kind of design techniques you will follow. Whoever using a controller, just decide which controller you have to prefer, what is the input, what is the output, how you are going to make it variable. Just do this task for the next class for these students. I already have the name of the students, so I'm requesting you everyone, please mention your detail and just post your data on your Word file, not in Word file, just write it on your notebook and share your screenshot on the chat box, on the class chat box. So before the class, please share all the chat box. So when we are discussing this thing, one by one I will come one by one and I will clarify your designing things, so you are able to understand how to design any application device, because the purpose of embedded system is to design an application project. Many time embedded system person are saying the application engineers. So first in the class we are learning how to design any application using Arduino, using Raspberry Pi, using any controller. So here we will learn how to decide this thing. So I'm requesting you, every students who have chosen to go with the Pavan and whoever chooses to go with the Azaz, they have to just think this thing in your mind and design the basic building block. Just Google it and just write it ki what input you will prefer, which processor you will prefer, and after doing that all thing, what is the price of this particular product. So at least you can get a basic insight of your project. Later on I will tell you how to go with the programming, how to go with the everything, but first thing you have to understand the design criteria. So if you go with something, just find out why you are going with that thing and how to choose that each and individual component as per the customer demand. So I'm sharing the same file on your class material file folder, lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3. So please look at this thing, and in the next class, before the class, please share your chat box. Aapko you required half page to put this all the things. We will share the same thing in the class. So at least I can get the idea, and due to the time limit, maybe I can clarify the 4 students project. Whoever did the best designing, I will clarify the 4 and 5 project designing. Rest of the student we will discuss little bit, not in that much extent. So at least 4 student example you can get the clarity about to design any project. Okay, so I'm requesting you everyone, please do that thing and paste same thing on your chat box before the class. Okay, so thank you everyone, and do this task. This is a very important part of embedded system. This is a very important step